My name is Stephanie, the owner of Steph's Crafty Space. My videos are full of pretty, practical, and inspiring planner spreads, office decor, how-to videos, honest product reviews, an occasional haul, and a surprise or two. I plan every aspect of my life using various planner types, sizes, and styles. So stay tuned to see what's happening today at Steph's Crafty Space. Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Steph's Crafty Space. Today we're in my Skinny Classic, which is my on-the-go planner. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you stick around. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I truly do appreciate it. Quickly, I just want to let you know that all of these items are... I forgot where I was. Okay, so cut all of that out. Hey y'all, welcome to another episode of Steph's Crafty Space. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're a subscriber, thanks for your support. I love you. We're in the Skinny Classic, which is my on-the-go, and I've decided to use squad goals, and we are planning for the week of the 21st through the 27th. It is the last week of September. I am planning this in advance because of vacation conflicts and filming and all of that. So I am hoping that by this week we have some cooler weather. And when I say cooler weather, I mean weather that is in the 80s, not the 90s and 100s. That would be phenomenal. Okay, so that being said, I am going to do a fall theme. I wasn't going to do any fall themes until October, but I can't wait. I want it to be fall so stinking bad. So we're going to make fall happen in my planner. Okay, so we are going to take this and this. And what else do we have for fall? I know we have the pumpkins. Oh, this matches her shirt, so we're gonna do that. This matches, so I'm gonna do that. I have to pick the things that match. This woohoo matches. Alright, now I need some more of this color. Am I gonna be able to find it? Maybe in these leaves? No. Well, here's that color, but it's not anything to write home about. Oh, but we have these flowers. Okay, so we're gonna have to use some of these. Okay, well, I may keep that. I don't know yet. Oh, that's attached. Not for long. Not for long at all. There we go. Okay, and I just want to see where we are with this. Now, I don't believe, I haven't used any washi this week. I don't believe that I have the proper color orange or yellow. I do not. So, I did get some browns. Let's see if we have anything that may spark joy. Actually, this one's really kind of pretty. I might actually use that. We'll see. We'll see how that works out. Because it's kind of thick, so I may end up having to cut it. Okay. Now that I have it out, let's see what happens. Everything I use, I try to link in the description box. If there is a link, it's an affiliate link, which means that I earn a tad bit off of it. but it does not cost you any extra. So happy shopping and thank you for your support. And you can also find the links to all the places that you can find me. IG, which is Instagram. I have a Facebook page and a Facebook group. So feel free to follow me and join over there. I do giveaways and all kinds of things. And you can also find my Etsy shop in the description box as well. There's some pretty cool stuff in there. I have some disc earrings and some really cool clips and some stickers and that kind of thing. So feel free to hop on over in all those places to support Steph's Crafty Space. I would greatly appreciate it. Okay, I do want to use this, and I think I just cut my nail. All right, where'd my ruler go? Here it is. Okay, I act like I know this is gonna be a straight line. Y'all, I can cut a straight slope. Lines, on the other hand, are a whole nother story. But we're gonna see what we can do. All right. Let's see how bad this came out. I mean, I already know I cut the wax paper and I'm okay with that. Okay. So what I love about washi is you can make it as thick or thin as you want. Oh my goodness. Is that better, y'all? Like, I can't believe I had that light off the whole entire time. I am so sorry. So sorry if y'all couldn't see. Alright, let me cut this down. Oh my gosh, I want fall to be here so bad. I am so tired of being hot all the time. I feel like everywhere I go, I'm just so hot. And I don't mean sexy hot either. Okay, and we are going to put, oh, those are some nice color combos right there. There we go. Okay, we have that. Now I'm gonna have to do another slant line, whatever this is. Oh, I'm not cutting through the wax paper like I thought it was. Shoot, I didn't cut through this washi right there. Oh, come on. Did I not cut the washi at all? I swear I did. There we go. Okay. And we're gonna do, guess I'll do this one over here to even it out. And I know that I don't even live in the hottest part of anything. So my hat's off to those who do. Man, I just can't do it. It's just so freaking hot. Anyway, I am through complaining about the weather for now. Okay. I don't want that thick of a thing. Sorry, when I'm doing like intricate stuff like this, I tend to stop talking, which y'all might be grateful for because I'm concentrating. Okay, so I have that. I know I still have those flowers. What else can we put down here? We have that. Why don't we have these girls with the umbrella maybe? I don't want to do pumpkins yet. It's not October. She looks so sad. Like, doesn't she just look sad and lonely? We don't want sad and lonely. I'm going to keep with the colors and put these ladies right here. And because I'm planning in advance, I really don't have a clue what's happening this week. So I will leave white space for actual appointments, because we do have those. I'm going to put some of this across the top here. This is a good choice. I think it ties in with these leaves down here. I don't know. I like it. And I have this woohoo because it is Friday. And that should be dry. I probably should have moved it over so I don't have to punch that, but it's okay. Now I can take these flowers and put one right there and the other one right there. And I think we are good. So that's it. This is for my catch-all. It's so cute, and hopefully it does everything I want it to, and it brings the cooler weather so I can actually wear some cute clothes. I have some boots in there I'm dying to wear. So let's put her in here. Oh, snap. Where's my scissors? I forgot that I'm gonna have to do this. And cut their umbrella. So it goes in there. So if you have not already liked the video, please hit the like button. It would mean a lot to me. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit the subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss anything. And we can be friends. Alright, I'm just putting this in here, and it is gorgeous. Ooh, and it looks really good with these rose gold discs. Anyway, so make sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, y'all have a blessed day. Bye!